Hey guys, welcome back to Gagne Farms. If you're new here, I'm Eric, and today we're going to be working on our gate to our garden and our gate to our chicken coop. We do lots of things around here, homesteading things, gardening, canning, maple syrup, hunting, mushroom hunting, all the cool stuff. So you guys hang out, stick around, and give me a thumbs up here if you like this video. Let's get going, guys. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put a post in the ground right here on this corner, and then we're going to come over 4 feet, roughly 4 feet, and put another post in, and then we're going to make a 4 by, I'm going to say a 4 foot wide by 6 foot tall gate, and that'll help us get in and out of this garden a lot easier. We've got this, hard to see, but some of this netting here, it's deer netting, but we've put it up for the chickens so they can stay out of the garden. This gate over here, I'm going to do a little bit different. For the chicken coop gate, I'm going to put a post here, and this is what we've been using as our gate. We just pull the fence. We just pull that fence back. But I'm going to put about a 4 foot gate in here too, but I'll probably only go 4 by 4 on this one. We don't have any extra netting up top. We let the chickens get out and scratch around the yard and eat bugs and stuff. So we'll just put a 4 foot gate here. Over here, we're going to put that 4 by 6 foot gate. We're going to start by cutting these 2x4s down to 6 feet. Got 2 of them here. Just lay it out quick. And then we're going to cut our other 2x4 in half, so we get a 4 foot gate. Alright, got that laid out. Now I'm going to move my saw over here, and we're going to lay this out right on the concrete. And with most builds that I do around here, I've just changed my mind. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to miter these corners. So we're going to miter all the corners to our 2x. I probably should have done that before I cut the wood, but it'll be alright. We'll be just a few inches shorter than what I wanted, but it doesn't matter. We don't have anything set over there anyway, so let's miter these corners. Now we're going to countersink our ends here, our miter cut ends. So I've got a combination here of 2-inch and 3-inch screws. So the 3-inch screws will go in the longer part of the miter, and then the 2-inch screws will go in the short one. There we go. That's one strong corner right there. And we're just going to repeat the same process for the next 3 corners. Now I'm going to take a piece of welded wire fence and cover this side. Alright, now we're just going to take our staple gun here and staple our welded wire fence to our gate. Alright, that's one gate. That's a big gate. It's alright, I like it. So we're gonna go over here and start digging our holes for our posts and get this guy hung up. So I got this old post hole digger here, and this will make a man out of you real quick. So we're gonna go give her a shot and see how she goes. We just got, this is landscaping timber, and we're just going to dry set these. These are treated here. They shouldn't rot too quick, so we're dry setting them and move on to the next post. Couple posts. Now we just need to attach our gate. So I just got some little hinges here, and these aren't the most heavy duty. I'm gonna try this. If it don't work, I'll have to get some a little bit more heavy duty hinges, but we're gonna give it a shot right now. A little windy today here at Gagne Farms. It's usually not windy here, but for whatever reason, it is today. For whatever reason. I guess I would know the reason now, wouldn't I? Because it's Mother Nature and it's windy. Ow. Hey, sorry about that, guys. I checked my camera and my memory was full, but so we got our gate up here. Looks awesome. And I just put a little barrel latch right here on it. So it opens up. I just got the 2 hinges. Here, I'll show you the hinges real quick. I just got a little hinge there and a little hinge down there, and it works good. So I think I'm going to stick with those for right now. I do need to get a different latch for when you go inside. You need to be able to shut the door, so you can't get to this latch. So, but yeah, that's one gate down right there. So it works great. Couldn't be more happy. That's going to be a game changer when we start getting hot and heavy into gardening here. Also, while I was filming and didn't know it, I did make the other gate here for the chicken coop. So I'm just waiting for Candace to get home here, and she's going to help me kind of corral the chickens while we put this other gate up. So we're going to basically do the same thing here that we did over here. It's just a smaller gate. Like I said, I just kept it to 4 foot, and we're going to put 2 posts in the ground and screw 2 hinges to it and a barrel latch, and hopefully it works as good as this one does. So that's going to be awesome. Just being able to go in there and not have to mess with the fence. It's kind of petty, but I really like it. I think this will be a great addition to our garden this year. Now we're going to dig our holes for the gate on the chicken coop. Fall in the hole, chicky. Probably should grab a chisel for this. Walk all the way back to the barn. Well, there you go, guys. We got both our gates done. We got our gate to our garden done and our gate to our chicken coop done. So if you guys enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Hey, thanks again, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.